Welcome back. Now that we've built our HTML boilerplate, let's start filling the page with real content. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to structure text using HTML. That means adding headings, paragraphs, bold and italic text, and even line breaks. Let us go step by step. Step 1, let us do the headings. This one will help us organize our content. As we continue, let me show you something here. You see, we had discussed earlier, if you have not installed Prettier, you should by now, because when you paste a code like this, you see the indentation is not properly done. When I click on Control Save, the indentation automatically happens. When we use the heading 1, the only time you're supposed to use it is once per page, usually for your website title. Then we go on with heading 2 up to heading 6. This one helps you organizing sections and subsections. Headings help readers and search engines understand your content structure. The next thing that we have is what we call a p tag. This one wraps a block of text and it adds spacing automatically. We can see this by going back to our browser here, and when I click Control Save, you can see now we have our headings. We have, this is a main heading, which is heading 1. Then we have our paragraph, and you can see that in this paragraph it wraps a block of text and it adds space automatically around it. The next thing we can look at is the emphasis. Let's say we want to bold something around our text. I'll add another paragraph here, and this one, you'll find that this word is strong and this one is italic. We use the strong tag to make text bold and add importance. Then we use the EM tag to make text italic and also to emphasize the tone. These tags also help screen readers, so they are better than just styling with CSS. The next thing that we can look at is what we call the break tag. If you want to break a line without starting a new paragraph, you should use the break tag. It stands for line break. Remember, break is a self-closing tag. It does not need an end tag. And if I may pause here a little bit, I know someone is asking, how will I know that this one is a self-closing tag, or this one has an opening and a closing tag? The documentation is the best friend of every programmer. Make sure you be going back to read the documentation on the description below that directs you to devdocs.io. When you come here, you can search whatever tag you want to learn about. Like right now, we can learn about the BR tag, which is the break tag. You'll find the tag omission. What does it mean? This one means that it must have a start tag and must not have an end tag. This is how you check if the tag you want to use has an end tag or it doesn't, or it is a self-closing tag. The other thing we need to look at is what we call the horizontal rule. These ones, they are separators between sections. The horizontal rules are separators between sections. We have our horizontal rule here. And as you can see, after writing the horizontal rule, we have a line that is displayed between section above and section below. The next thing we can do is that we can nest all of these things that we have learned so that we have all of them working together. This little snippet will show you how you can combine all the text-related elements that you just learned. I want you right now to open another page here. Click another page and write about.html. Hit on enter. Then, since I have already written mine, I want you to I'll cut this and save. Come to About page. Make sure you begin with your boilerplate and then write more about yourself. Add a heading with your name. Write 2 paragraphs about yourself and make one word bold and another italic. Also, use a break to split a line and also add a horizontal line between sections. You'll start to see your web page take shape. So, what have we learned today? In this lesson, you learned how to structure and format your text with headings H1 to H6. You have learned about paragraphs with a P tag, emphasis with the strong tag and EM tag, and we have line breaks, which is BR tag, and separators, which is HR tag. These tags are simple but powerful. They help you build clean, readable content. Practice makes progress. So keep building, and I'll see you in the next lesson.